Alice, when you think Halloween, you think orange and black, right? But this morning, we're going green. We're going to show you how to make the holiday a little more eco-friendly. That's coming up a little later.
They did the monster mash.
For now, I'm going to toss it back to the loft because Allison has some fun Halloween things coming up herself.
Yes, we're going green. Thanks so much, Erin. Well, from hair dye and sprays to candy wrappers and trash all over the place, Halloween is not the most eco-friendly holiday. But our next guest says even though parents and people are becoming more and more aware and concerned about waste and the environment, there is a way to have a more green Halloween without getting grief from the little ones. And this morning, D.C. area mommy blogger Carolina King, who runs the site Mama Instincts, joins us live to show us how to go green on Halloween.
Yes, we can go green on Halloween.
Happy Halloween to you.
Happy Halloween to you, too.
All right, so the biggest one, of course, the candy.
Candy. Halloween is all about the candy.
Yes.
So there's many ways we can go green with the candy. And first of all would be choosing candy that comes in bulk, that comes in cardboard packaging, because, you know, this dissolves a lot faster than plastic. You can also buy candy in bulk that doesn't have any wrapping. So if you're having a party at home, set it out on a platter, on a bowl. Don't buy so many of these.
Right, but for handing it out, of course,
handing out, you have to get these. So, you know, minimize the packaging as much as possible. Another way is to buy organic candy, because chemical pesticides are not only bad for us, but also bad for the environment and the soil.
Do you like one organic label or brand or whatever without pitching one thing better? Because some of it is like, you know, kids are going to see an organic lollipop in there and be like, let's toilet paper her house next year.
Well, you know, I mean, they're making the organic candy look a lot more fun now, and I just look for the USDA organic label. And then another ingredient that's in all the candy, organic or not, is palm oil, and that was getting some bad rep a while back, so I looked into it, and it turns out that a lot of the palm oil grown in some countries wasn't following sustainable practices. But big companies like Nestle and Mars are actually getting their palm oil from Malaysia, which follows sustainable practices, and it's really cool because one palm oil tree gives enough palm oil for 25 to 30 years. So it's a more eco-friendly oil to use in all our candy products. And then not everybody can eat candy, right? So I always have in my house a bucket with candy and a bucket with toys.
Oh, that's a good idea.
So the kids with allergies can pick from the toy, and an easy way to let the parents know in your neighborhood that you have toys or allergy-free treats is by putting a teal pumpkin outside of your door. This is code for allergy-free house.
Got it. Okay. There you go. All right, teal pumpkins. Let's talk about what all we can do with the pumpkins.
So decorations. Instead of buying decorations, use nature, right? The pumpkins are amazing. You know, we can decorate them. We can cook what's inside in the pumpkin. I made a vegetable stir-fry after we carved this pumpkin. And you can also bake the seeds. And it's really easy. You can rinse them out with a colander. It's not complicated. You throw them in the oven for 45 minutes, cook them with your seasonings, and then it's really hard not to eat them all at once.
And fun for the kids to do,
and they're full of zinc, which is great for your immune system. And it's the cold season, so it's a perfect treat.
Good idea. Okay, costumes.
Costumes. So costumes, instead of buying the costumes, get together with your friends or in your school and do a costume swap. Or buy costumes that the kids can use all year. So like these wings, we've had them for 3 years now. We just keep reusing them and save them for next year and do another costume swap next year too.
Okay, and a great resource is like the thrift store, right? And
the thrift store too.
For some decor.
So for the decorations, go to the thrift store and save them for next year. Don't waste them, because these things take hundreds of years to disintegrate. So just keep them for every Halloween.
And just in the couple of seconds we have left, Carolina, why should we all be thinking about going green even on Halloween?
Well, because there's so much waste on Halloween. The packaging, the decor, a lot of people use these things once and then they just throw them out. And the trash doesn't disappear. It stays in our landfills and it stays there for hundreds of years. So by going green as much as you can, then you can minimize our waste and you can make your Halloween more eco-friendly.
I love it. Okay, how do we subscribe to Mama Instincts blog?
You can go just to mamainstincts.com and there's all my social media and you can subscribe, and there's even more information about this.
Love it.